Picture us rolling in a road, yeah. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing all my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, my name is Kat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this video is going to be a little bit different because usually I would be doing a lot of wigs and sew-ins, but today Niawigs sent me their tape-ins human curly extension in the inch 24. And guys, you guys just gonna have to watch this whole thing. So the very first thing that I want to address throughout this whole video is usually when people do tape-ins, they either blow dry their hair and they straighten it. I guess it's a little bit more easier to achieve a hairstyle while it's straight, but I didn't feel the need to actually straighten my hair if I knew that I wanted to leave this whole curly hair like curly, because the curls are curly. And sometimes a lot of people actually straighten the tape in, so you know it'll be easier to blend in with your hair. But you can definitely tell how this tape in matched like my hair texture. It's so weird. I know you guys could see it, but it literally matched my entire hair texture. But we'll talk about that like towards the end of the video, because I think that's where things went a little bit left, because I do have looser curl patterns in the front of my hair. I'm not gonna call it heat damage because my hair is not damaged. It's just by me straightening my hair a lot and my hair texture just got loosened over time. So I'm not gonna say heat damage, but you're gonna see how in the front of my hair it's a little bit straight and how it didn't match the curls. But besides that point, this tape-in really matched my curly hair. It was a little tingy. I say tingy. It was a little hard to detangle a little bit. I don't know why, but other than that, the curls are really like, it could really match a black girl natural hair for sure. And since I didn't do the whole blow drying and straightening method and all that blasey, this process literally took like 30 minutes. It was so quick and everything. And also, this hair was very full. I don't know if I liked it full, but some people may like the fullness, but this hair was very full. I'm not gonna lie. So I guess a quick tutorial. I did like a slow motion so you guys could see what we're doing. My stylist, you know, took out a very small section of my natural hair, and then she went in with one tape in, and then she added that towards the bottom of the hair, and then she added my real hair on top of that tape in, and she's like mushing it with her real hair. I said real hand. What? Cat, come on. So now she's taking the second piece to kind of like sandwich that from like my real hair is going to be in the middle between the two tape-ins. So that's basically what she's doing. And yeah, that's really it. It's so simple, quick, honestly. Anybody is able to do it. You don't really necessarily have to have a stylist to do it, but you know,
check it for you. Sitting up in my room, can't think about you. I'm just a mess with a thing for you.
So this is the part where I was talking to you guys about how the front of my hair is very loose. Like the curls are just barely there and it was not blending with the tape in. So, you know, if you don't have this hair texture, I wouldn't suggest you to blend it like the way we were blending it, because you would need to find a way to kind of like mimic those curls technically. And I would suggest like flexi rods and stuff like that. Like it's definitely achievable. You can do like braid outs and stuff like that. For me, I would say flexi rods would be more ideal. But other than that, she did my baby hairs and everything. It was nice. It was cute and stuff. This hairstyle was very natural. Like if you're just really like a quick look, like you're just going out for tonight, or not even for tonight, if I had to be quite honest, it's not like a wig you can just take out that night. I would say for like a week this could definitely last, or even more than a week. So yeah, this hairstyle was really cute. I was a little bit mad because my natural hair just, you know, was loosened and I wasn't able to actually get that full service like with my natural hair matching the tape-ins. But you guys get the point. Let's act as if my natural hair was actually matching the tape-ins. Let's just act. You see how the back, it matches? But yeah. Thank you so much, Niawigs, for sponsoring this video. And I will link everything down below if you're interested. And you guys could also straighten this hair, by the way. So, yeah. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.